Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Oh my gosh, we have got something that's fantastic for a family bunkhouse model. This is a 2025 Venture Sporttrek, model number 312 VBH. So let's get started. The length on this one is 35 feet, 9 inches. The dry weight is 7,110 pounds with a hitch weight of 1,010 with a GVWR of 9,340.
Yes guys, so in case you didn't know, the parent company for Venture is KZRV. If you followed us for any length of time, you know that we own a KZ product and just absolutely cannot say enough good things about it. But this is a Sporttrek. This is going to be one of their little higher end versions, and we can't wait to show you the inside. But let's start out here first. You are going to have an electric tongue jack on this one. Your propane bottles, of course, will go under that cover, and your battery is going to mount right down there. Now, KZ always uses the BAL frames.
And I do want to go on with that because there is another YouTube person that says BAL is sort of. I went, listen, we've had ours for nearly 6 years.
Yes.
And we've not had a problem.
Not a single problem.
With our BAL frame. So, you know.
To each his own.
Okay, whatever.
Exactly.
Whatever gets views, I guess.
Exactly. All right. Now this, I know you're going to say, well, this looks like little bitty storage, and it is smaller storage, but this is a bunkhouse unit. So we're not finished showing you everything yet, but this is actually not bad storage right there at the front. But coming on down, you're going to have another storage area here. This is actually a pretty nice size storage. I will point out right at the beginning that this is going to have rack and pinion slides all the way around. Oh, this does have the BAL exact axle mount suspension. Your dump area is at the back. I believe that's the only one. It is the only one. Hey, while I'm down here, there's the spare, just in case you want to know where it is.
And they both are rack and pinion slides.
Yes.
I mean.
And this is going to have an electric stabilizers.
Sorry.
There.
I was getting ready for my tankless water heater.
Tankless water heater, and your docking station is going to be right next to that, and it will lock. Looking at the back, you do have a ladder here to access your roof, and it is prepped for a backup camera. You also have a receiver down here. This is going to be for accessory rack only, not for towing. Looking here on your campsite, you see you are going to have 2 doors. That is actually a great feature for this bunkhouse. We'll show you that on the inside. My assistant has walked off, so I do not know what the length on this awning is, but we'll try to get that for you. You have a propane quick connect right down here. Excuse me, guys. And the awning is 20 feet. So I knew he disappeared for a reason. Now, let's see what's behind this door because we did not open it earlier.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, all right.
All right. You're going to have a little outside sink. You got a spot over there for a Bluetooth speaker, USB port, mini fridge, and a pull-out Suburban griddle.
Okay.
Wow.
I like this.
Okay. They surprised me on that one. They did really good. I like it. Okay. Now, if you want to bring a TV out, you can add one of those little backer racks right there. I don't think that's what it's called, but anyway, you guys know what I'm talking about because your cable and power is all right there. Really quick, we'll show you the other side of this pass-through. I know, like I said, I know it looks smaller, but it is actually nice size. It is prepped for tire length, and you do have a light in here. let's go in and take a look.
I don't know. In our professional opinion, Venture makes a really good product.
They do make a good product. And if any of you guys are in the market for a bunkhouse for a family, I think you're going to like this one. So we'll give you a quick pan around here. And something that I love about Venture are their master bedrooms. So,
Yeah.
well, let's just start up here at the very front with this master bedroom. This is a massive bedroom for a travel trailer. I'm just going to tell you. You've got a king size bed here. You are going to have some great storage across all of this. And then this is in a slide. We did show you that there is storage underneath this from the outside. You've got shelves on both sides with power and USB plugs. And underneath is some great storage.
Wow.
Yeah, Venture is just amazing. They're going to give you this front area here in the front cap. You've got hanging storage that's going to be on both sides. Really nice storage across the top.
You can get to your
Yeah, this is
pass-through.
going to access that pass-through. So that's why, you know, I said it may not look like a lot on the outside, but it's really well done. Nice cushion. This is actually could be used for your pet. If you've got a smaller child.
Oh, me and Rosie would have a good time.
Yeah, Rosie can't jump though, so she would have to be picked up. We have a defective dog. But then you do have this windshield at the front. And even if you need it up here, you've got little cubbies on both sides with power and USB. I believe it's behind you too. Yeah, you got power on that side. So, yeah, I mean, really, really well done. Now, Venture is going to have heating in the floor, so your vent is going to be in the floor. But now, at the foot of the bed, you have got storage, drawers, and then you're going to have an extra fireplace in here. So, I love that. This top should flip up, I believe.
Yes, it does.
To give you some storage in there.
That hidden storage that everybody knows about now.
That everybody knows about now. Your TV is going to go right up here in this corner, so you see all your connections are already in place. And this does have a second AC already installed. Now, I want to show you these doors before we go into the main living. So you're actually going to have two sliding doors here. So, I just love that. So if you want to be dramatic and make your grand entrance, you can just open both of them at the same time.
And something we found out, it took us a little bit, your light switch.
Yeah, your light
is right
switch is
there.
going to be out there,
Huh.
along with your AC control. Now right here, coming in, you're going to have some storage down here under your sink area. It is actually a good size area.
And I'm going to back up just for a quick second. Something that Venture already does to the air control, ACs units.
Yes.
Already come with the airflow.
So you do not have to add that.
Right.
Now your controls are going to be up here behind a panel. And then you have this great coat closet here with some hooks for your jackets or your dog leashes. And then your fuses are going to be down here at the very bottom. But you have more storage on this side. Now with this being a bunkhouse, this is probably what you're going to have to use for your pantry. Now you may not get your air fryers and things like that, but all of your canned items and staples like that should fit in here with absolutely no problem. You also have a little open area down there at the bottom, so if you'd like to put your shoes in there, that'll work. Also, they give you these pull-out bins, so again, more places that you can store dry items or extra cushions and pillows and blankets and such.
Now this pulls down and makes into a sleeping area.
It does, like all dinettes. Now this is one big slide, so you've got some great windows all the way around. Storage up here. And your theater seating is going to have this nice pull down section here in the middle. Light, heat, USB.
Excuse me, I want one of these for our camper.
Yeah, I do too.
Just saying.
I wonder if they would miss this one. Okay. Anyway,
We didn't come in the truck.
I know,
so.
we didn't come in the truck and it won't fit in the car. But now when you sit over here, I'm kind of going a little bit backwards because I didn't hit on the kitchen yet. But this is going to give you, what is this, a 40-inch TV?
Well, we're fixing to find out.
Or 30.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Oh, it is. All right. So yeah, not a huge TV in here, but it's a good size. You've got storage
Oh,
up there, and
goodness
that's
gracious.
deep. That is very deep storage. So yeah, again, your appliances. I mean, if you can reach over your head, would be a good place to put that. You've got a sound bar down below your TV, space there for game system or remotes. Another fireplace in here. So I love that Venture is going to give you 2 fireplaces. It hasn't quite gotten up to 95 degrees yet.
No, not yet, but we got to hurry.
But we don't need a heater today. Again, your vents are going to be in the floor in this particular unit. You do have a 12-volt compressor fridge in this one. And
Oh,
I
my.
love that they gave you the panels on this so that it does blend in with your cabinets. Underneath that, you have got a big old drawer.
Big old.
That's just the best way to describe that one.
Doug will probably agree with you.
I didn't call it a big honking drawer this time.
No.
But anyway, now this is going to have a little bit smaller microwave, but hey, it will get the job done. Venture always gives you a cutting board in here, which I think is just super, super nice. You are going to have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven in here.
Yes, ma'am.
Solid surface countertops, super
These
nice.
are really awesome.
Yeah, and I like the pattern in it. It's very subtle. Nice big stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet. You've got a space. This is black, so it's kind of hard to tell, but a nice place here for some sponges and things. And then you've got 3 drawers down below that. So yeah, the kitchen area is really great. I'm going to back up so you can see the floor space in here. I mean, this is really good size in here. You know, again, if you've got a family or you have friends over quite often, this is going to be a good size.
Well, let's get this.
And the bunk area. Yeah, I mean, look down here. You have got really good storage under there, and then there's an open area for storage. These are, it's going to be a double over double bunk. You got a curtain to pull for some privacy there. And these bunks are rated at 500 pounds.
Oh, that means
apiece.
my brother can go with us.
Yeah, he's going to sit on you when you...
Yep, probably will.
Yeah, so each bunk is going to have a light and a USB charging. Now, for the bathroom and for that second door, this is why we love this floor plan. All right, the shower.
30 by 36.
30 by 36, which
Well, that's pretty cool.
is good. Now, it's going to have a little bit of a step up getting over in it. But you've got a skylight up
Well, you
there.
caught me with my pants down.
I did not. I caught you putting your... You need a belt for those.
Yes, I know.
Anyway.
Oh!
Yeah, so, I mean, skylight, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Really great headroom in here. So
Yeah.
even with the step up. Now, again, like we had said, this is your second door. So this is great for this bunk room when you have kids. They can just come directly into the bathroom, your guest. And they don't have to come all the way through your camper to get to the
Yes.
bathroom. Are going to have a medicine cabinet right there in the corner. Nice size sink. And you've got some great storage underneath.
Porcelain toilet.
Porcelain toilet. Again, there is your vent. And
It comes with a Level Mate Pro.
wow, that's nice.
I heard good things about those.
Of course, you do have this. You got a night light. This is going to be your towel storage. So, even though this is a great bathroom for a bunkhouse, it's not going to get the golden plunger. There's just no, there's no linen storage. But overall, for a family, this is a great choice. Come check
It
it out.
really is. All right, everybody. If you like this Venture Sporttrek, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.